name is Anushka Das. Today I wear dairy. My name is Smriti Sahu. Today I wear Gujarati traditional dress.
Today I am wearing a missing dress.
Missing is not one like this. It's only missing like that.
My name is Anubhav Pimina. I am wearing Boro Singra.
Good morning everyone, myself Archita Gogoi. Today I am wearing a Assamese traditional dress. Myself Ananya Saikia, and today I am wearing a Assamese fusion dress. Thank you.
Art to copy যায় না এখানে ঠিক তারিখ art to copy যায় রেকর্ডিং করব
My name is Fatima Bibi. I am from class 6. Today I am being in class. Oh, class 7 I am in class.
Pizza 7 পাহাড়ি
My name is Jigyasa Deori. I study in class 7. The dress today I am wearing a Deori traditional dress. Thank you.
My name is Astha Lekha. Today I am wearing an Assamese traditional dress.
Good morning everyone, respected judges. Myself Dia Chetri. I read in class 7. Today I am becoming a Assamese bride. Thank you.
মডেলিং কৰি থাকে নাজানে মডেলিং কৰি থাকে যে জানে এইকাৰণে
Good morning everyone. Myself Akansha Mandali. Today I am a missing bird. Thank you.
Good morning. Myself Alena Setia. Today I am becoming a homemaker. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Divya Karmakar. Today I am dressed up as a South Indian. Today I am dressed up as a South Indian.
স্মাৰ্ট আছে স্মাৰ্ট আছে পাৰিবই
Good morning everyone. My name is Ragini Rekha. I am from class 8 and I am wearing Mekhela Salwar.
Good morning everyone. My name is Tanisha Gogoi and today I am wearing a Assamese traditional dress.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ishati Saitya and today I am wearing a Assamese traditional dress. Good morning everyone. Today I am here to Good morning everyone. My name is Hidrika Bhuya. Today I am wearing a Assamese traditional dress. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Tanaya Purva. I am from Bhubaneswar. My hobbies are dancing, modeling and singing. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Somika Devi and I am from class 8. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Miss Muskan. I read in class 8. My dress is Manipuri dress. Thank you.
Morning everyone. My name is Priyakti Ragvanshi. I am wearing a missing Salwar Mekhela today.
Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today I am wearing a Gujarati dress. This entire look is called Garwa and Choli.
Hello everyone. Today I am doing a bridal.
Good morning everyone. Today I am wearing a Assamese traditional dress. My name is Christina Das. Good morning everyone. My name is Alka Sandhya. Today I am wearing a Kerala traditional dress. Good morning everyone. Myself Emma from class 8 and today I am wearing Bengali traditional dress. Good morning everyone. My name is Krishti Borwa. I am from class 8 and I am wearing a Thai traditional dress. Good morning everyone. My name is Siki Kumi and I am wearing an Assamese dress. Good morning everyone. My name is Srishti Bhattacharjee and today I am wearing a Bengali traditional outfit. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Myself Priyadesh and today I am wearing an Assamese traditional outfit.
My name is Songsa Rompi and I'm dressed up in a uniform made in black.
Good morning everyone. My name is Tanisha Achumaripura. I'm wearing a lehenga which is made from Mekhela Sadar.